Here we're looking at the M series liner from the VentAHood manufacturer. This is the SLD series. You're going to find that they offer two different blowers for this unit depending on how much horsepower you need. They are sold separately, so you have your choice of the M600 or the M1200 blower. This unit is coming complete with dual level LED lighting. You're also going to have a rotary knob with 4 different speed positions. Here we're just taking out one of the removable filters on this M series unit. These filters can be removed for cleaning. Your overall hood volume is measured in zones, and when we're looking at either a mesh filter or the stainless steel filter, essentially we're asking the air to zigzag through this stainless steel grate to separate the grease from the airstream, and that tends to make the sound of moving air a little bit louder. So on these hoods, when it comes to volume, you have two things that create the volume. It's the sound of the motor hum and also the sound of the moving air. A lot of times the sound of the moving air is louder than the motor hum. Check out my videos, Ducting Do's and Don'ts, on YouTube, and I will give you an idea of the importance of keeping that duct pipe the correct size to the exterior of the home to avoid any suction loss. Even though this filter style hood is coming in at a higher zone level than the manufacturer's patented Magic Lung, this unit still has two distinct advantages over the Magic Lung we'll get into. So here we have two different blowers you can choose from, the M600 or the M1200. The M600 is coming in at 625 CFM, and you can accomplish that into a 6-inch pipe with this model. If you're doing a renovation, you might find you already have a 6-inch pipe in the wall, and if your installer doesn't want to tear out the drywall to enlarge that pipe or change out your roof cap, then you might be looking at this M600. The manufacturer has a high flow wall louver, very preferable over the caps you'd find at Home Depot. That's a VP526 wall louver, roof caps VP539 or VP539 HP, depending on how steep the roof is. You got the M1200 option, which is 1035 CFM into a 10-inch pipe. And for this option, you'd have wall louver VP554 from the manufacturer or roof caps VP552 or VP552 HP. To figure out the pitch of your roof, you can visit VentAHoodparts.com. We have a video there to illustrate how to take that measurement. As you see here, if you go with the M1200 option, you will want to use the manufacturer's VP566, which comes with the purchase of the M1200 blower. This is going to take and combine these streams of air into one 10-inch round duct pipe to the exterior of your home. Now, the advantages of this M series over the Magic Lung is they can get more CFM into a smaller pipe with this style of blower. Although it's coming in at a higher zone volume, you can just get more CFM into that smaller pipe. The Magic Lung version of the hood, if you had a 6-inch pipe in the wall, would only deliver 300 CFM. And with the 10-inch pipe, you could only achieve 900 CFM. And with this M1200 blower, you can achieve 1035 CFM into that 10-inch pipe. The second advantage of the M series is they can fit more horsepower into a smaller width. So you'll see as we take a look at our sizes here, M28SLD, that's going to be 30 inches with your box surround. We have options here in this M series liner for a 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and 66. So keeping this in mind, you can actually put the M1200 blower here into this M28, which means you're getting 1035 CFM into these small widths of 30, 36, 42, and you just couldn't achieve that much horsepower with the Magic Lung design into those small widths. And I do have customers that come along that need these higher horsepowers. These are going to be people that do stir fry, wok cooking. Maybe you have an indoor barbecue or you like to blacken fish. You will need something really high horsepower in a smaller width. And that is when this M series is a better choice. This is our M series tutorial and covers the SLD models. All SLD models are 19¼ deep, and when your contractor builds the box around, you can expect it to come about 22 inches into your kitchen. That is the depth This is perfectly acclimated for drop-in cooktops. We do have customers that have pro level ranges. This lower left-hand corner is a Capital Connoisseurian we sell at Kitchen Foundry. This range has a depth of 28 inches, and if you were really concerned about performance when you're cooking on the front burners and you have a range that's 28 inches deep, we would steer you over to the PSLD liner tutorials for the M series hoods. They're a little bit deeper and will come out 24 inches once your contractor builds the box around. We still have customers that put the SLD depth hoods over these pro depth ranges. Just keep in mind it's not going to work as good when you're cooking on those front burners. We just arm you with the knowledge so you can make the best decision for your kitchen. Visit us at kitchenfoundry.com. Click the link at the top right-hand corner of the screen, take you back to our website where we have all of these items for sale. You can also visit us in person, 4945 East Hunter Avenue, Anaheim, California, 92807. Give us a call or visit our showroom. Call us at 949-275-4496.